Tired of customers clicking through multiple pages just to buy your product? Let's add a Buy Now button directly to your Shopify product page in under 90 seconds. First, from your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to Online Store, then click on Themes. Find the theme you want to edit, and click the three dots, then select Edit Code. OK, in the code editor, in the search box at the top left type product.liquid. Usually it's in Sections or Templates folder. Click on product.liquid to open it up. Now, find the code for your Add to Cart button. Look for the form with action equals, cart, add. It might look slightly different depending on your theme, but you're looking for the area where the Add to Cart button is defined. Keep in mind, you are not making any code changes, just finding it. Take note which line that code started. We're going to paste some code right above the Add to Cart button code. So, click on the line right before that code block. This will insert the code above it. Now, simply copy and paste the Buy Now button code provided in the description into this line. Remember, the code provided will likely need some modification depending on your theme style. You can find code on website like speedboostr.com. Click the Save button in the top right corner. Head back to your product page and refresh. You should now see the Buy Now button. Customers can now purchase directly from the product page. If the button style does not look good, contact a Shopify expert to help you.